Hello, folks. So we're talking about the Whoville renovation. Uh, I did a intro video a while back, just talking about the general uh, exercise of going around the house and showing what it currently is. I've been meeting with the engineers a couple times, and I have some tasks I need to accomplish with respect to getting county permits, especially regarding the septic, which is pretty old. And uh, so I've already dug around the foundation in search of or to evaluate the condition of the foundation, how deep it is, etc. And so here we have some engineering drawings that will show you, just to give a quick view of present and future layout of the house. All right, here's the as-built plan. This is the riverside. This is the street side over here. North is approximately in this direction. Let's see, the major things that will change. This is the first floor. Major things that will change is this stairs go away. This is a spiral staircase to the upper floor. This is a whole chimney that goes away. This porch right here becomes part of the kitchen, which is this area here. This is currently a laundry room, and it's basically going to become where the stairway goes to the second floor. This bedroom basically stays the same except for the closet changes here. This bedroom and these two bathrooms stay the same. And this lowered floor area here gets raised to this level. And the two posts right here supporting this beam go away because we're putting in a much a beefier beam that goes across the whole span. And then, of course, the upstairs, this is just the tiny upstairs. This is where the chimney passed through. Circular stairs go away. This little tiny bedroom area was where the kids grew up, basically. And this little tiny bedroom, these two places could only hold a futon, and a futon that you'd get in parts up through the stairway here. So that's the as-built. All right, this is as-built, showing basically a demolition, removing the entire second floor here. This part of the front will effectively look the same. I'm sorry, this is the riverside, will look the same, except the floor is going to be raised up to this level instead of being at this level down here. Let's see, chimney goes away. This all goes away and becomes a proper second floor, at least most of a second floor. This is the porch. It becomes part of the kitchen. This is kind of a storage area for outdoor toys that gets covered up in part of the other closet. And this window goes away, but these two windows stay. This is the proposed first floor over here. Notice this big area right here is just one big living area. Bedroom. 2 bathrooms and a bedroom. No chimney, so this area is opened up here. No circular stairs here, but the stairs are over here. And this all basically becomes the kitchen. And then on the second floor, stairs come up. This is storage. This is master closet, storage, master bath, master bedroom, laundry, and this is all HVAC. And this is where the HVAC vents are going to go, and then they'll dive down into the floor and go along in between the joists, and then come up over here and go across and supply this side here with HVAC. The proposed outside So the exterior wall here is basically extending up 5 feet. This is a 612 slope, which can be walked on. This is the street side. This is the river side. Notice there's a new balcony here that sticks out 4 feet, 4.5 feet over here. Windows in the kitchen. And then of course here's the 2 windows and the balcony on the northwest side. So this is northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast walls. So there you go. That's our the big plan so far. We're waiting. We're going to be waiting for final engineering plan here coming up probably in the next week, I guess. I have to go down and dig up around the septic tank and the what do you call it? The valve distribution box, and so that the county can do a septic evaluation because this is involving adding more than 500 square feet. So that seems to be the only other hurdle. I need to also find the receipt for the last septic pump. The county doesn't seem to have a record of that, and I'm hoping the receipt is down at the river. So hopefully I can do that and not have to get another one, because it's only been 2 years since I think we've had one. So anyway, that's where we are at right now. I'll be retiring in a few days more than 2 months from now. And then I will begin work on this in earnest, if all things go as we hope. Anyway, thanks you for watching. Bye.